Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. So let's press the button, keep holding it. Once the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds, then you can release it, and at this point the watch should be turned off. And to turn it back on, simply press and hold the side button, or rather lower button, for a couple of seconds, basically until you see the Coros logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.